with allure. The warm sand beneath our feet, we sway and we endure. A casual beach scene where love feels so pure. The bossa nova's embrace, our hearts are unsure. The Brazilian sun, we're lost in a dream. Melodies embrace us like a tropical theme. Bossa nova. Coffee pot sings a lonely tune. Breakfast smoke fills the rooms. Two little cowboys running through, eyes blurry, hair messy too. Stumble into their boots, hurrying out the door. Dad's already out in the garage, fixing up that old Ford truck. Hat on our heads, dirt on our boots and hands, growing strong in this promised land. Faith as our guide, a God we trust, working together forevermore, just us. Mama tends the garden rose, shows us life with gentle hand, telling us to slow down, be forever young, even in this country land. Tomatoes come in trellises, reaching for the summer sun, laughing, chasing fireflies, till the day is almost done. Sunset paints the sky in gold, a symphony of crickets starts to hum. Dad's call echoes from the grill garage. Supper soon, y'all better come. The simple life, this love we share, and reaching for the summer sun, laughing, chasing fireflies, till the day is almost done. Sunset paints the sky in gold, a symphony of crickets starts to hum. Dad's call echoes from the garage. Supper soon, y'all better come. This simple life, this love we share, beneath the God we trust. These starry nights, these dusty roads, leave a memory made of country dust. Hat on our heads, dirt on our boots and hands, growing strong in this promised land. Faith as our guide, a God we trust, working together forevermore, just us. Stars begin to peep, fireflies start to fade, shadows stretch across the land, whispers on the wind are there. Mama hums a lullaby, a melody so sweet, teaching lessons of the day before we fall asleep. Country born, forever sworn to this life, family by our side, will stand forever in God's hands. Searing pain deep inside my soul, lost inside this darkness that I cannot control. So held back by this fire inside my beating heart, what else can I do? When my world falls apart, in this place I drown in my tears, my fears, my God, what have I done? In this place away, in the pain, no gain, nothing ventured, nothing won, but I have my fun. You say I don't see it, maybe I just need new eyes, because the hardest thing to see is when you need to say goodbye. Waiting here, and I cannot go home until I find my demons wherever they may roam. Something deep inside, like stealing your regrets. Drowning is the easy part if they haven't got you yet. When my world falls apart, in this place I drown in my tears, my fears, my God, what have I done? In this place away, in the pain, no gain, nothing ventured, nothing won, but I have my fun. You say I don't see it, maybe I just need new eyes, because the hardest thing to see is when you need to say goodbye. When my world falls apart, in this place I drown in my tears, my fears, my God, what have I done? In this place away, in the pain, no gain, nothing ventured, nothing won, but I have my fun. You say I don't see it, maybe I just need new eyes, because the hardest thing to see is when you need to say goodbye. My God, what have I done? Nothing wrong. My God, what have I done? In this place I drown in my tears, my fears. My God, what have I done?